could feel beauty rising on the breeze that shapes the stone, and I would ride.
Hi, my name is Sue Skasky with Vermont Volunteer Services for Animals Humane Society, and welcome to our show for the animals. Today we have a happy show.
It ain't happening till the dog gets here.
Okay. Rudy lives around the corner from me and lost his beloved dog. What was your dog's name?
Huh?
What was your dog's name?
Frickin'.
About a week ago now?
7 days, so it will be tomorrow. A week.
Yeah. And
She's gone a week already.
It's a Springer Spaniel, and she was just gone. So what we did is we lent out road signs, and Rudy put them around, and
Audrey did everything.
Audrey's from Connecticut.
Audrey, yeah.
How is
Audrey
she?
Hascott.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you, Audrey. And it took 6 days to find you, or how long was it?
Well, they didn't know until this morning, 7 days. Because Wednesday last week, 7, right?
Yeah. And you had tags on her, right?
Hmm?
You had a collar and tags
Oh, yeah.
with your phone number?
672-3719.
Did they try calling you?
Hmm?
Did they try calling you?
They called me here this morning, and I finally got word of it.
Yeah. What I understand is that a gentleman who was working around the area saw her and picked her up. He was doing working around here.
What's that?
A gentleman was working around here.
Yeah, he's smiling. He's working somewhere. He's remodeling a house over here.
Where did he pick her up?
In front of my house right there. Where she always gets picked up.
Okay.
That dog is crazy. You don't know that dog.
Well, I've seen her because when she was a puppy, I saw
That's
her
right.
in the road and
I
stopped
remember
and
that.
brought him to you.
Well, she's been that way ever since, and she always will be.
Rudy, do you think you
But
want to?
she's an awful pretty dog,
She is very sweet.
even for Brittany. I
Yeah.
put her at a 10.
A 10?
And plus, she has the personality.
Yeah.
Everybody likes her. And she'll jump in anybody's car.
I had somebody pick my dog up at the end of our driveway once. It's like, what are you thinking?
Yeah, but they always come back with her. But I don't know what way this worked out, but
Well,
hopefully she's going to be at 4 o'clock.
yes. And when I got the call from Audrey today, she said, "How are you?" And I said, "Nothing would make me happier than if you have good news." And she said, "I think we have good news. Somebody picked the dog up and is supposed to be here at 4 o'clock." And she asked if we would come down and record this.
Audrey called me after that.
Yeah. So anyway, what do you do when you lose an animal? Well, luckily we've got front porch forums where you can go online and post something. We have signs that we lend out. We have a dog trap that we'll lend anywhere in the state. It's about 6 feet long by 3 feet wide, 3 feet high. And if the dog is too frightened to come back, if you put the trap out and bait it, and if it's too frightened to go in, tie it open for a while and put food in until you're ready, the dog is ready to go down to the other end, then set it. And it's been 100% successful.
Yeah.
So we are very excited to see this reunion.
But anyway, she's supposedly 4 o'clock.
It's countdown.
What my ex-wife says, Rudy, yeah, see the dog, feel the dog, hug the dog. Then you know she's here.
Yeah. Well, it's almost 4 o'clock now, so we're hoping for a very happy ending. And I can't
think
imagine
she's
it's
gonna
anything.
be here.
I think so too.
I know it.
Yeah. That's Panning Gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up on the mountain. Yeah, 5 corners. But he never got rich. He went to Alaska.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That was when he was a little bit younger. He was younger than me anyway. I don't know where he is. I haven't heard from him. His wife died, and he got up in pain and pain. He went to Alaska.
Yeah.
And he was going to homestead it up there when they used to give me that 640-acre quarter section.
Right.
He got up there, first thing happened, he had a flat tire. And those mosquitoes.
Oh,
Couldn't
yeah.
stand it. He got out of there and stayed there. There never was any more gold up in the five corners than there's anywhere. Gold is in spots.
Lawrence always
But
said
see,
that.
when we bought Alaska from the Russians, right? Then what we did was we did like we did in California. There's no gold in California. Never was. A little bit like it was up in five corners. It's got people to flock out there to settle it.
Right.
Same in North Dakota.
Yeah.
Never was any gold. They sold the place for a little gold. That's what they did in Alaska to get people to go up there. Would you go chasing gold that you can't see?
I wouldn't go to a cold state. I mean,
I
Vermont
wouldn't
is.
walk across the street. If you tell me how many diamonds there was over there.
Well, you know, Lawrence made a ring for Jim out of gold. It was a beautiful ring. Did you ever see it?
Yeah,
It was gorgeous.
yeah, I know. That's what to go. I'm trying to think of his name, but like I can't remember nothing anymore. No, he said if you work real hard every day up here, like in the five corners, you might make minimum wage. Gold is going up, 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 up.
Yeah.
So I said, well, hell, I'm going to buy a little gold. Let's just buy gold. So I called up the guy where I got some stuff. And he says, you know, what it was to buy, it was on 270 something.
An ounce?
It was going to cost me, what, 25% taxes to buy it.
Oh.
Then when I went to sell it, I got to pay it again. I never bought any gold.
Okay.
And gold, you get right down to it, you know. Of course, now, you know, they just crank the money out. But,
Sounds like somebody's slowing down.
That's
Okay.
Mike. There's Mike with the other dog. That's Mike Ryder.
So that's not. No,
Right?
that's
That
not your.
ain't the dog.
Okay.
That is dog, or what's the name's dog? His girlfriend's dog.
Okay.
That's the dumbest dog to ever was on earth.
So this is a reunion?
Let the dog come in. Yeah.
Did he sign over?
Now we're waiting.
Guy ain't here with his dog. Yeah.
Very cool.
It's cold out here.
Absolutely.
So
Farm
tell
of spring.
How many cords of wood are you doing?
I don't know.
Hey,
I
Jan,
got about
Could
60
you guys
over
not
there
talk
now.
because it's recording and it picks up all your conversations?
Sure.
Okay, start again. Sorry. How many? Sorry, Calvin. Got traffic.
Sometime he's coming.
Okay, so what dog do we have here to greet your dog?
Huh?
What dog do we have here to say hello to your dog?
Tina.
Tina.
Tina is the name,
What
right?
How old is Tina?
Tina or Trina?
Xena with a
Xena.
Tina.
Zena. Is she
She
friend?
knows Tina.
Oh, she's super friendly. I think Xena, we don't know. She's a rescue. She's either 6 or 9. Xena, come be on TV.
She's a beauty.
Well, that guy ought to be here.
He's just making it exciting.
I ain't gonna believe that dog is here until I see her.
Okay, she'll be here. Do you have her name on the collar in case she ever got separated?
Oh, this one? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, Xena.
So
They were-
you say
right
you
now.
get
Where's
about
your
3
tag?
dogs a year like
She
this
doesn't have
one?
it on
Yep.
right now.
This one.
She's
What's
got a
the
couple
longest
collars.
one you
Must
ever
be on
had?
the other one.
3 dogs last winter at Killington. They each took 2 weeks to find. And it was a brutal time.
I
up there.
remember the girl that had the dog in the paper all the time. Remember, they had a ski house up here. She lost the dog. It was in the papers all the time.
Did she find it?
I found it, yeah.
Do you know where?
Someone was killing it.
That was probably the one because we lent our dog trap out up there. One dog showed up after 2 weeks at somebody's condo right at the door. It was It was heaven.
Now, what's this dog trap thing?
It's like a big have a heart trap, to relocate
Oh, and
cats.
the dog goes in it?
Goes in for food.
Sounds like something stupid Brecken might do.
Well, if he's hungry and baits it with food, yeah. If he's hungry and baits it with food,
Yeah.
it works. Yeah, because after they're out for a while, they get scared and paranoid, and they're hungry. So it's good. It's good. It works.
Well, my dog eats like a queen. She thinks she is a queen.
She
Yeah,
probably.
and she's fussy. She don't like the food. She won't eat it. Gotta have her own.
She's got you wrapped around her
She's
paw.
my thing, my food.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah.
How old is she
She
now?
knows Osaka when she's
She's got it made. Where did you get her? Where did you find her?
I bought her down in between Connecticut and Rhode Island, right on the border. Now he's moved back to Connecticut. I got her for $800.
Oh,
Now
boy.
in New England they want $15.
$800?
I bought her from him for
She's a good
$800. But he's an
Yeah.
old fart like me.
That's a cheap price.
See,
for
she
her.
don't have the what do you call it?
The papers?
She don't have the thing they insert in them. What's that?
Oh, the microchip.
Yeah. She has he puts tattoo in the left ear.
Oh.
I can't even read the numbers.
So if she had gone to a veterinarian or a shelter, they would have been able to identify that.
Yeah, but they would get that. We gave them the numbers, but I can't read it. You seen her numbers on the black tattoo? Could you tell me what they are?
Looks like
I
Chinese.
couldn't. Looks like
Yeah.
a gob to me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but yeah,
really,
she's got a number
really.
and comes from the breeder. and
Because he
everything,
don't
so
believe in the chip.
trackable.
Oh, he says they
Oh.
can be bad for the dog.
The chip?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I talked to him
Hi.
11, 12 o'clock first time, then I called him back after I talked to Audrey. Oh, yeah, be at 4 o'clock. What time is it?
Oh, I pulled in at 4.
Huh?
So I pulled in at 4. So it's about a couple minutes after.
You know,
4. You've been here since 4.
Yeah, let's see. I could tell you. I
With
got
the
technology
roads-
in the pocket.
Huh?
with the roads, maybe he's going a little slowly.
Yeah.
4:07 now. But yeah, I guess he said he was working in the area.
Yeah.
Picked her up right out front the house here. Taking 5 days to call.
That part I don't understand.
They're
I don't
cleaning it out
understand
up
much of
there.
it, honestly. But we got the camera. We'll ask him all
What's
about
his
it.
name driving the chipper truck?
How much wood do you do a year?
I used to do a couple of chords or so, but I don't anymore.
Did you say a couple hundred?
Huh?
Did you say a couple hundred?
Yeah, that was years ago when I did that much. Now I can't do that much. I'm getting up there. I'll be 45 in a couple of years.
Again? Me too. Well, you look wonderful for 45.
You know, once you hit the 80s, things got to fall apart.
They're starting to fall apart already.
I know all about it.
Yeah,
You don't
I know.
realize that.
I know. But you know what? I don't think there's anywhere better to fall apart than Vermont.
I know it.
It's a beautiful place to be. How long have you been here?
Huh?
How long have you been here?
Ever
Mhm.
born right there.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, Brecken sleeps in the bed. Her bed.
My cat sleeps in mine.
1938.
Oh,
Never. Too long.
too long?
Huh?
Too long?
Yeah, I'm sick of it. I'm ready for the next plan.
You know what? Around this time of year, I understand that feeling. But in the summertime,
Summertime is different.
I know.
This time of year, I wouldn't care if I kicked a bucket tonight.
You know, I'll
Who
bet
knows?
you.
You might.
I'll bet you that in the next couple of days, tomorrow is officially spring.
Yeah, I know it means it's spring.
I know. I'm waiting. I'll bet you next week it's going to be nice out.
It is. It's got a break.
It's
This
been
is the longest winter we've had in a long time.
it's been a long,
What was it?
cold
It was
winter.
before deer season. We got 20 inches of snow.
Yep.
And then it rained on it for 2 days.
Yep.
And then it froze. And it's still here.
You do have a good amount here. You
Huh?
have have more here than I have at my house.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. Why?
Plymouth Notch gets more snow and nasty weather than any other place in the United States.
You know,
Goes right straight up them mountains.
Jan and I drove down 100, and she said that there was a ski lift around the corner years ago. Because we pulled into a different house asking where you were.
Where's that?
Right up the street, there used to be a ski lift, a little tow bar.
Oh, you mean around that?
Nope. Jan, where was it?
At the back of Sailor's, the house where I used to keep.
Arnold Sailor used
Yeah.
to have one down here.
Yeah, that's what we're
Yeah,
talking
on
about.
his mother's farm.
Yeah,
Lily's.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what she was talking. Does anybody use it now for anything?
Huh?
Does anyone use it now for?
No, that didn't last very long.
Oh,
It was just for something he dubbed around.
yeah.
He liked to do things, so he made a ski area for himself.
Nice. Are you talking about Jeff?
Huh?
Are you talking about Jeff
No,
and Nancy?
Jeff's,
Parents.
that would be his uncle.
Oh, okay.
Jeff's uncle. Arnold was my cousin.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you related to people around here?
You know, the sailors, what's left, now is only Jeff. And,
Jeff and Nancy.
I'm related. Well, I go way back with whatever.
Yeah.
But Plymouth ain't like Chattagee, though. For everybody, Briggs,
Yeah.
the center they call it,
Yeah.
everybody's brother's related. They're bred right in real close.
Yeah. Well, years ago
Huh?
they did a study called the Bridgewater Study. Did you know about that?
No.
A doctor did it. Because in the wintertime, Rutland was cut off from Woodstock, and the only people that were able to socialize or interact was Bridgewater. So the gene pool was very pure,
Yeah.
and they were able to track down a lot of the genetics. It's a really interesting study.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I should look it up. Maybe you're in it.
Huh?
Maybe you're in it.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
No, my grandmother come from Germany in 1898 and went to Philadelphia. Then my father, he came here in 1916.
Okay.
He's a Flatlander.
Yeah, but you.
And he says all of his goddamn kids are Flatlanders.
But you're the son of a Flatlander, so you're a Vermonter.
I am. Yeah, you gotta be born here.
I know my kids are Vermonters.
Yeah, see, my father lived in Claremont.
Yeah.
He was not Claremont, Keene. That's where he is now. But Mike was born in Hanover, in the hospital in New Hampshire. I tell him he's Flatlander. I had a guy not saying one time, he told me, he said, well, but you're a Flatlander. I said, what do you mean I'm a Flatlander? He said, where was you born? I said, right there in the house.
Yeah.
Oh, he said, I thought maybe he was born in New Hampshire over there. What do you call it? And I know.
Did
I
you
said
have,
we was all born here.
did you have the doc that came here driven by horse?
Huh?
Did you have the doc that came to your
Dr.
house
Cram from Bridgewater.
and he drove his horse?
Huh?
Did he get here by horse?
I don't know how he got here. He walked. He drove his little car.
Okay, because we were talking about Lawrence.
Doc Cram delivered my mother.
Yep.
That was 100. Well, let's see. She died at 89. She's been dead for quite a while. It's over 100 years.
Yeah.
He died. He delivered 580 some of us, I think, all around here.
Yeah.
He'd come to the house and anyway, get there, snowshoes in the middle of the winter.
I remember Lawrence telling me in the winter, because Lawrence was born in December, that he rode his horse and a sled to deliver
I know,
Lawrence.
he used to have a sled, but he'd stay there, He comes right to a storm in the window.
Yeah.
Doc Cram, get paid like they do today.
You used to trade a lot.
Huh?
You used to trade a lot with him.
Yeah, my mother used to be his assistant for,
No
years
kidding.
ago, back before she married.
Wow.
Yeah,
So what have you done for work all your life?
building.
Mm-hmm.
I was build houses and stuff. I was general contracting. Till when I was 50, I just quit. So I do this. I wood and stuff. And I got all these rentals, the skiers. So
Where are your rentals?
Right there, 4 apartments there. I got that house in the back.
You've planned well.
I got something to make some money because I sure as hell don't the wood pile.
Yeah, but
Well, where is that guy?
I don't know. I
I'll
don't
be
know.
right back.
All
Go in
right.
the house in a second here.
Don't quote me, William Shakespeare, suggesting it as proof.
In the back.
I want to know how you feel about me, and I'd like the simple truth. I don't need a lot of words,
Back again.
even a simple yes or no. I don't need a big conversation. Some things I already know. There is no such thing as maybe. It's a matter of extremes. You do or you don't. You will or you won't. But there's nothing in
Okay.
between. Don't hand me your excuses, professing to be true, when all I really want to know is where I stand with you. Please don't give me that look. You know it drives me to the brink. I can't read your mind, so let me tell you what I think. There is no such thing as maybe. It's a matter of extremes. Oh, you do or you don't. You will or you won't. But there's nothing in between. There is nothing in between. Now it may be real, it may be magic, it may be comic, and it may be tragic. But there's nothing in between. When it comes to love, there is nothing in
Wait.
between.
Back in. She's all over the place.
There is no
Gotta check
such
on all her
thing
stuff.
I know.
as
You ain't
maybe.
catch that dog in 100 years.
It's a matter of extremes.
Hey,
Oh, you do or you don't. You will or you won't. But there's nothing. Though I've hoped and prayed, wished my life away. When it comes to love, there's nothing in between. When it comes to love,
Stay out of the roads.
when it comes to love, there's nothing in between.
He said that caller was his girlfriend. Something about calling. Call back.
Don't quote me, William Shakespeare, suggesting it as proof. I want to know how you feel about me, and I'd like the simple truth. I don't need a lot of words, even a simple yes or no. I don't need a big conversation. Some things I already know. is no such thing as maybe. It's a matter of extremes. You do or you don't, you will or you won't, but there's nothing in between. Don't hand me your excuses, professing to be true, when all I really want to know is where I stand with you. Please don't give me that look. You know it drives me to the brink. I can't read your mind, so let me tell you what I think. There is no such thing as maybe. It's a matter of extremes. Oh, you do or you don't, you will or you won't, but there's nothing in between. There is nothing in between. Now it may be real, it may be magic, it may be comic, and it may be tragic, but there's nothing in between. When it comes to love, there is nothing in between. There is no such thing as maybe. It's a matter of extremes. Oh, you do or you don't, you will or you won't, but there's nothing in between. Though I've hoped and prayed and wished my life away, when it comes to love, there's nothing in between. When it comes to love, when it comes to love, there's nothing in